Hello friends, in this video I will guide you through how to cancel a V0 Vercel subscription. V0 lets you edit designs, live without AI credits, deploy instantly with one click, and turns simple ideas into detailed specs. It works with Next.js, Tailwind, and Shad.cn, gives a visual editor for real-time changes, and shows all code for learning. The AI suggests improvements, and every edit is tracked with version control and optional GitHub sync. You can link Postgres or Supabase databases, keep API keys safe, and turn screenshots into code. Export options, starter templates, and built-in Vercel AI tools make building AI-powered apps simple. V0 is great for beginners, designers, or anyone who wants to quickly build modern sites, learn best practices, and use AI to bring ideas to life. Explore its features and integrations to create your next project easily. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.